Hi there, this is Pritha and welcome back to my channel. Today, sharing a winter special leafy vegetable recipe, Bathua greens. It is nutritious and has many health benefits as well. It works as blood purifier and adds vitamins to your diet. So let's start today's recipe. I am cooking in mustard oil. Take some lentil dumplings if you have in your kitchen. This is winter and it is easily available. I have taken Urad dal Wadi. Fry in medium heat, then put it aside. Temper with dried red whole chili. Saute for some time. Then add Panchforon. It's a blend of 5 healthy spices. Add potato. Fry potato for some time. Add eggplant. Fry for some time, medium heat. When potato and eggplant is well fried, add ginger paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, a little water. Mix it well. Cover and stir occasionally till the raw flavor of ginger is gone. Cook till the spices turn aromatic. Add the leaves. I have finely chopped it. Add some salt to taste. Mix it well. I'll not add any extra water because the leaves will release some water. Cover and cook till it is done. When the potato and the leaf is cooked, add the dumplings. Add some sugar if you would like to. Mix it well and cook till the water dries. Hope you liked today's recipe. If you liked this recipe, then check my other recipes as well. Do subscribe to my channel if you like my way of cooking. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.